Hey ho there, internet neighbors. Jack Wyldes here from the Nouns Square, and another month has come and gone. So you know what that means. Throw 3 minutes on the clock, and let's get into this Nouns Roundup. Well, I guess it's award season for Nouns, because we've got a few. Nouns, the movie, Rise of Blues, won the Best Series at Animator International Short Film Competition this June. And if you liked it, you can mint scenes from each episode. And follow them at nouns.movie for cool behind-the-scenes looks at the whole series. Remember that Nouns Explainer video by Ordinary Folk?
This is...
Well, it also won an award. It won silver in the promotional video category at the first ever Collison Awards honoring excellence in animation. Both are excellent ways to share your interest of nouns with your friends and family. And another cool way is by Meat Quack, the adorable Instagram duck in Noggles, who continues to grow. Recently, Meat Quack partnered with Duolingo and Genshin Impact on Instagram. The team also launched the Quack and Lola shop, and I hear plushies have been flying out the doors. So, go check them out and get one before they're all gone. Another Nouns film I've been waiting for, Sunny in Nicaragua, the Nouns-sponsored volcanic surf film that was funded through Prop 512, is out now on the Canal Woohoo YouTube channel. I don't know if I said that right. It's beautifully done, full of epic noggle imagery and some gnarly surfing. In the world of gaming, Nouns Esports is looking for a content creator to come cover their time at the International in Copenhagen, Denmark this September. One person will have all of their travel expenses covered to create content of this epic event. You can propose or check other proposals at nouns.gg. The team also unveiled their sweet new Adidas jerseys, showcasing their partnership with both Matcha and Laso Finance. The Noun Square and Yellow Collective have partnered with Nouns Esports and Matcha, launching a round with a $2,000 USD prize pool. To enter, make a custom piece of art in any style that captures the vibes of esports, Yellow Collective, and Matcha, and try to use that clean matcha green. This round will end Friday, August 9th, and I'm really excited to see the amazing work that you guys come up with. Did you get a chance to check out those giant inflatable noggles at EdCon 2024? Pro Smash player at Amsaret Yoshi on X took on all challengers in a day full of friendlies. They passed out nounish swag and proliferated hard. And though many tried to dethrone him, AMSA went home undefeated. Prop 583 passed for Nouns Town LA 2024 during Nouns Fest. There's already been a ton of excitement surrounding Noun Fest for good reason, but it's continuing to grow and become something even bigger. It will span 3 days from October 9th to the 11th and be filled with all sorts of nounish activities. Plus, you get a chance to meet others in the community. So join the fun, put a face to those nouns that you've been following on Warp and X for so long, and I'll even be there, covering as much of the event as possible. So make sure to say howdy when you see me. A calendar of all the events is available now, and if you're interested in participating, just go check out the channel Nouns Town on Warpcast. I guess IRL is the summer theme, and Nouns Coffee in West Hollywood delivered. They had a soft launch with discounted and free drinks for paying with USDC or your Coinbase wallet. Their official opening is August 6th, so if you're in the area, check them out or follow them on Instagram at nouns.coffee. 87 Bones and Nouns Deli posted a video of their first Doing Good activation. The team partnered with Food Bank and loaded up 6 pallets of food onto a supermarket bus and headed deep into the suburbs, providing free weekly groceries to over 200 disadvantaged families. This is just awesome. But what else is awesome is they were selected to join the top 4 and compete in the Battle of Sanga at a food industry innovation event hosted by Fine Food Australia and the Source Kitchen at the Melbourne Exhibition Centre. 87 Bones himself will be on stage at the event explaining nouns, noggles, and how they all got started. Okay, I'm going over time, so let's wrap this up with a fun one. You know those giant red noggles I was talking about earlier? Well, they're not the largest noggles to come out of EdCon. Images have been circulating of the dude himself, Vitalik, donning a pair of golden noggles. This was due to apparently a 3-year plan by Bigshotklim that was executed by Chris Carella. This really was a pretty awesome moment, and hats off to everyone involved in making it happen. Chris has an excellent write-up on Paragraph retelling the entire story, so make sure to go check that out, and show some love to all those involved. Don't forget to follow us at the Nouns Square on both Warpcast and X, join the Yellow channel, and check out our other content. We recently started this new series called Zero Pod Spotlight, and in our first episode, I got to sit down and chat with Seneca about the early days of nouns and all things rounds. So, until next time, I've been Jack Wyldes, you've been awesome, stay nounish.